like the V2
while they're watching this.
Just watch the V2 version of it.
I came up with this idea.
No, you didn't.
Right here. I
Don't
did.
listen.
Underneath.
You're
through.
such a liar.
I put this in
here. That is
here.
such a liar.
My idea.
Fuck you.
Nope.
It's probably the wrong way, honestly.
No, that's right. It looks good.
Okay. If Roger's car knocks on wood, not gonna say it, not gonna put it in the
Whoa,
atmosphere.
whoa. You put that in the atmosphere. He put that in the atmosphere. He put that in the atmosphere.
Your fault.
Nope. If it fucks up, you heard it first.
Your fault.
It's from
You
George.
heard it.
George fucking did this.
He said that.
Nope.
He said it.
Nope. I'm not gonna lie, I fucked it up. But Roger still has half of his. It was fucking so good. I really don't have an intro for this video, so I figured I'd film this bush. But we're at Roger's house. You guys know what lives in here? A fucking beast. Oh shit, it's like a fucking barn find.
MTV Cribs.
There she is.
Right.
And this is an Evo?
Yeah, it's a Mitsubishi Galant, 2005.
Nice. 2005. Alright, so before we start, I was telling Roger that it might be a little too dark to film in here because there's not much lighting. So he's whipping out the fucking ladder to move this light over here so he can get better lighting here. There we go. Before we work on the cars, we gotta be electricians here and move this light. Quality videos for you guys. Quality lighting, quality content, quality
Daddies.
Fucking much better. Oh, bad. It's fucking much better. Look at that. See? Genius. You know whose idea that was? God's, for creating light. So what are we installing?
IAG air oil separator V3.
The V3?
Yeah.
Is that the new version?
It is. I had the V2 in the box. Never installed it. I installed it, so I got this one. Because I like these hoses better.
See, kids, if you don't install the car parts that you have in your garage,
You get the new one.
then you get the new one when it comes out. Save some money.
I actually lost one.
Oh,
I like these better. They're nice and
Tubi.
just fucking.
Tubi for the Subi. So now where does that go exactly? In here, in this mess. I would assume it goes in somewhere over here because there's space around here. Because there's like no space fucking anywhere else in here. So this isn't the catch can.
No. Yes and no.
It's
an air oil separator.
Okay. Catch cans are what you put on Ford Fusions. This is what you put on race cars.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
So air and oil goes in here, separates it. Honestly, I don't know the science.
Nobody knows. It's fine. All right, now I'm gonna snap my fingers and it's gonna be done. Thanks for watching. Fucking prep for a long journey. Here we go.
First bolt.
Maybe. looks like a fucking child. Well, I mean, it's nice. And now we're done.
Yeah, start it up and call it a day.
All right, guys. If you need a tutorial on how to do this install, this is your video. So what are you disconnecting now? Whatever they said to do in the video?
Yeah.
But we are the video.
Not today.
Not today. We'll post the link down below for the actual tutorial. We're just two dudes in the fucking shed right now.
We're showing you what actually happens when you do this, not the not the edited shot version of it.
Yeah, this is more like the behind the scenes. But you guys are used to that on this channel. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah. See?
Okay.
All right, much better. Now what? Now what do we do?
Go over to the passenger side. Do the same thing.
Okay. He did that in like one thing. Like snapping off a bra back in middle school.
One foul swoop.
It's in front center.
Front center, baby.
Front center. So we gotta do driver's side, which is there. You gotta do passenger side, which we think is here.
Yeah, that's this one.
Yeah, that's what I said right here. And then now front center, right there. Disconnect those three. Pop, pop, pop. All right, so we got it, but we're gonna show you how they do it on the tutorial. All right, so we're gonna have to separate this one. So go ahead and you just press that and
nice and hard.
just fucking snaps right off, guys. It's that simple. Boom. Fucking easy peasy, just like in the tutorial videos.
Rotatey boy. Off here.
So what do you do in the video? Just fucking pull those. Oh, so you just pull off the white tips?
Yeah.
Smells like oil.
Looks like oil. Smells like oil. Probably oil.
It's probably oil. All right, so now after you take off the white ones, now you got the black one left.
This one's a little special though. You could probably just zip tie this Johnny back on, right?
Well, where did he cut it? Or where are we gonna cut it?
Well, he cut this off.
Okay.
Which I mean we can do, I guess. Cut this off, so. Get that nice and free. So, just for funsies, we cut this one too.
Oof.
I think I just broke my plier. I did. All right.
All right.
All right, so we didn't have cutters that were powerful enough to do this, so a little bit of love.
And an insane amount of luck. You could look just like me. Ka-chow.
On the driver's side.
So the black plug goes back in.
Okay. Just like that.
Nice.
All right, and then he said replug in the harness. Bada bing. Okay.
Look at that. We're fucking doing things. What?
I told you the whole top of the engine has to come on. This is crazy.
I beg your finest pardon. What the fuck?
Sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love working on new cars. Nothing's rusted. Nothing's.
Easy peasy, just fucking and that's it. Done.
Oh, I can touch the Civic. I'll break 4 bolts in 5 minutes. When she asked how you got so good at that?
Just fucking twisting shit off at the tip of your fingers.
I don't even need to look and close my eyes, see?
Oh shit. Ah! Look at that fucking determination.
Bro, there's like 8 million threads on this one. It's hanging on by my will to live over here. Okay, hold on.
Now, have you ever taken apart the throttle body before?
Yeah, 100 times.
Yeah?
No. Why would I ever take this thing out?
Fucking uncharted territory on this. You going fucking mining?
Yeah, I gotta go.
Go coal mining?
Going in for some surgery.
Dog. Paging Dr. B. It is like fucking hard surgery though. You know what I mean? Careful, SpongeBob.
Careful, SpongeBob. Floor it.
Don't floor.
Floor it.
Yeah, just zip tie it. It's fine. Okay, so after all that, we got a wishbone from a turkey.
Just pulling hoses off. I don't know what this does.
Just pull all the fucking random hoses.
Spins around.
We getting any of this done today?
Spins around.
So you lube up that Johnny. What are you using?
All-purpose lube.
Huh? You put oil in a cup with a paintbrush.
Yeah. All-purpose lube.
All right.
Okay. We got 2 hoses on. Really wish I knew that these were correct. Because they aren't the same size. Cross that bridge when we get there.
You're just self-torquing.
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, perfect. Nice.
Beep, 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 beep.
Torqued.
Torque this back. This comes back on.
Nice.
Okay.
So now that bracket's off of the wiring harness, we move that over.
It's way too much, okay.
Little PB blaster.
Insert the 2 10mm bolts, starting by hand.
So this is where the fun begins.
Apparently this is where the fun begins.
Fun begins.
I'm still not really having fun, but I guess starts soon.
So you want to tell them what you did?
It's a little upside down.
So we just put the bracket upside down. So make sure you don't do what we did with the bracket.
The install.
Is it done? All done. Look at that. Fucking hip jab and the other guy. You know? All done. Like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite part. All done. What'd you fucking spring a leak?
I think I fucked up.
What did we do?
Was this supposed to come off?
Oh fuck, dude. It's blue, whatever it is.
It's cooling.
Oh no!
A lot of it.
Uh-oh. Alright, good news, bad news. Bad news is you do have coolant down here. The good news is it's only a little bit. There we go. That'll stop the coolant.
Yeah.
A little paper towel.
This has to go on the end of this one.
All I see is fucking hand.
Right, okay. Alright, so I'm assuming it's this one.
See this? That's the left one. And if you follow it, it looks like it goes over to here.
Yes, that's what it looks
That's
like.
the right one. You would assume there. You lose it for a little bit, and then it comes up, and then
That looks right, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so my gut was wrong.
Good thing we didn't fucking just start slapping shit.
Don't listen to your gut, apparently. 'Cause your gut's fucking wrong.
Alright, so what did we mess up on?
We didn't mess up nothing, man.
We just got our hoses crossed.
Sometimes.
Sometimes in the bathroom, at the club, you get your hose crossed with a homie. Fucking real professional, dude. Alright, so what did you do so far?
Alright,
You got that bitch in there.
so we got 2 lines plugged in.
Okay.
One goes here, one goes there.
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah.
Plugged another line in up here. Snaked down, round into a little bung down there.
Okay.
And now,
I see that.
next step is to reinstall the throttle body.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so we're actually putting stuff back on.
Oh my god. Throttle body going back on. Good thing we labeled bolts.
These ones are kind of hard to mess up because they are so long.
Always want to label your bolts. You know? Good attention to detail.
Yeah, sometimes it takes too long and you forget what goes where, and then you're cross-threading bolts.
Oh.
I don't think that works.
Nope.
That's what he did in the video, though.
Really?
Apparently, but there's certain. I was trying to put a square through the circle, you know. Don't forget to put on the provided heat wrap because it literally sits basically on top of the downpipe. Slide this over this.
Literally a condom.
Always have problems getting those on.
There we go.
Just like that.
This whole install is just Roger's hand. Alright, so we got that middle hose right there coming around underneath the bracket, plugged right into that slut right there. And about as far as we got so far. George is here. George, you know what kind of car this is? You have one of these? Nope. Yeah, this shit's still going.
Like the V2.
While they're watching this,
Watch the V2 version.
I came up with this idea.
No, you
Right
didn't.
here, I
Don't
did
listen.
underneath.
You're
through.
such a liar.
I put this in
That is
here.
such a liar.
My idea.
Fuck you.
Nope.
Probably the wrong way.
No, that's right. It looks good.
Oh, okay. If Roger's car knocks on wood, not gonna say it, not gonna put it in the
Whoa,
atmosphere.
whoa! You put that in the
It's your
atmosphere.
fault.
He put that in the
It's
atmosphere.
your
He
fault.
put that in the atmosphere.
Your fault.
Nope. If it fucks up, you heard
Nope,
it
your
first.
fault.
It's
That,
from
you
George.
heard it.
George
He said,
fucking
nope.
did this.
He said that.
Nope.
He said it.
Nope. George, guess who's here?
Keep wanting me to lubricate.
Lubricate.
I don't know about all that.
Church, how was work?
What seems sus?
Okay.
Good. By the way.
No, too bad. Too bad. What do you think, George?
I think my car needs to be finished so I can drive mine already.
R.I.P.
You know, it's almost been 2 months.
Has it? We should go to fucking Sad Boys again. Alright, and it's installed.
Bro, we didn't even put the intercooler back.
No, the thing.
The doohickey.
Yeah. It's all clean, nice, tucked, looking good. Not bad, not bad.
He doesn't give a tuck.
How's it look?
Looks done, finally.
Okay. Okay. George?
I like turtles.
Okay, sure. And George.
I miss my car.
So, I just want to know, for my own knowledge, what is it?
It's called an air oil separator.
And it's not like...
It's a catch can just on
Steroids.
super steroids.
Okay. But you don't have to, like, drain it.
No.
Drains back into the...
Yeah.
Oh!
It's a non-serviceable catch can.
That's pretty cool. Didn't know that was a thing.
It's not.
Only for Subaru, so fuck off, Ford.
Alright, so after everything has been installed back, George fucking shit himself.
Can we open the garage door before
George, you really drive around like this?
Yeah. I went the whole way from work to here.
And you didn't get pulled over?
Not a single thing.
You got laughed at, I'm
Three state
sure.
troopers this morning.